everybody. Thank you for joining me at Lori Houston Art. I am going to do a quick bloom. I'm going to bloom on glass just because I need a bunch of wine glasses for my shows. I like to come up and just spin one out, spin two out, and see what I get. So I've got my glass laid down, and I just reuse this glass over and over when I'm making my wine glasses. And I'm going to start today, I think, with Color to Go, and it is Extra White by Sherwin-Williams. Haven't used white in a while. I just tend to use a lot of colored bases. Just going to tip it a little bit. Hopefully let's just see. Might just be yay. At least that was showing its true colors early on. Oh, I think another one. Good grief. Maybe not. Now I'm just paranoid. All right. I am going to kind of spread this out a little bit first. And then I'm going to add a little more in the center. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and just bring this to the edges so that it'll move good when I spin. And I typically do 2 or 3 of these at one time, and then I do my wine glasses. All right. So we're going to start with our colors, and the first one that I'm using is TLP. It's Nightfall, and I mixed a little bit of dioxazine purple in with it. It's the only tube paint, so I'm just going to lay this down. And you know, it's funny, when I do these, I'm very gloppy. There's no rhyme or reason, and that's why I love doing wine glasses, because you don't have to be perfect. I also do a huge bloom. I don't do 2 on this glass. It just works better for me. As far as the design and how many glasses I get. All right, I am now using Pre-Night TLP. Beautiful color. Now, I don't know if I've used this very much, but I thought it would be beautiful against this purple. And I really need to do a set of ocean glasses, but I thought this would be fun. All right. When I say ocean, I just mean blues. We've got some golden and tri-art. They're golds mixed. And this is tri-art, their fluid paint. Okay. And then I've mixed, this is Nebula and a little bit, I just had a little bit of Nebula and a little bit of Sapphire from TLP. And I mixed them together, and I didn't like it, so I added gold. I literally had hardly any left. So I added gold to it, and I ended up liking it. So I'm just going to use this up. There we go. And then I'm going to come back with some TLP. This one's sequins, right? Yeah, sequins. Beautiful color. And this, to me, matches the purple and the green. So I'm just dying to see how this is going to look. And again, I do a huge bloom because what I'm trying to do is get a whole bunch of, and these are all of these colors mixed. We'll see. Trying to get a bloom that literally I mixed all the colors. And then added more gold because it just looked kind of brown. But the more cool designs on the glass, the better for my glasses. So I just like a lot of color. I think I'm going to end. I think I need more of this bright purple, Nightfall, and dioxazine purple. Yeah, I went to use my Tri-Art dioxazine and I'm out. So I got to get some. And again, kind of gloppy. All right, next I'm using 3 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint for my cell activator. I'm extremely heavy on the cell activator. Now let's see if it does the halo, see if we've got a good mix. Ooh, yeah. Oh, and I used Amsterdam's new metallic black for my cell activator. That's pretty cool. All right. Now, okay, guys, this is really different. Definitely nothing like I was expecting. What do you think? I'm going to bring it up. Holy moly. Look at that. Very, I don't want to say odd because that's not always a good word, but it's very pretty. These are going to, what I love, this is definitely wine glass material. I get so excited. Wine glasses are, oh, I just love doing them. Okay, I got so excited I don't have my straw. Let me grab it. I'll be right back. Okay, I got it. Let's blow in the center. So, I love the colors. It's just so beautiful. We got to spin. And again, remember, I have done this and said, oh my gosh, I'm not going to use this on wine glasses because the color's so amazing. But this, I don't have any wine glasses that are these colors. Oh, beautiful. Wow. Let's move some of this down just a bit. I wish I had more of those cells in here, but that's okay. Let's tip it this way before we spin. Spin, spin, spin. Beautiful. All right, here we go. Let's do it this way. Look at that pre-night. Do you see? Oh my goodness. I am in love with this. Again, I have learned so much doing these glasses, and we'll do a video soon showing you, well, actually I'll do a video when I'm done spinning this out. All right, so I'm gonna look at it. You see, spun a little hard. Let's move it up. It's okay. All right, I am not going to do anything more to this. I'm going to bring you down for a close-up, and then I'm going to let it dry, and we're going to come back and do another one. I'll see you there. Okay, let's go down for a close-up look at that pre-night. I am in love with these colors together. I'm not 100% convinced that I love that metallic black for the cell activator, but I do think that it worked okay. So I decided to put this one in a frame first. These colors are very popular at my shows, and I'm going to show you a few spots that were my favorites here. Just beautiful. And if it doesn't sell in a frame, then I go ahead and make glasses. So I will do a video very soon, but look at these colors. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I'd love to see you here. Take care. Till next time.